rust is because it's fully inflated and it's rubbing. The only way I'm going to be able to fix it is cap that line up, that bag won't inflate. So it's not going to rub your tire anymore.
Yeah, but the problem is, when what's like that, you see this shit?
Yeah.
This is why it's torsion, or maybe it's this shit.
When your tire exploded,
yeah,
it went everywhere. It just wrapped around and started like...
But my problem is, this shit is still gonna be touching it and it's gonna blow that shit up. Cause you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see your concern.
For me, I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying?
I get what you're saying. I get it.
But we need to move that shit somehow or take it out. I don't know. Oh, look it. I think that they fuck it up too, cause they put the new shit they welded, right? What you call the
spindle?
Yeah, the metal one.
Yeah.
They weld that shit.
Okay.
And I think they are off like 3/8.
They welded on a new spindle?
Yeah, they welded.
Okay.
So they out like maybe 3/4, because you see that metal?
Yeah.
That shit is torsion too. You see how the metal look like all white? So I imagine that shit blow the tires. So is there any way we can bend that shit like straight a little bit?
What, the airbag?
This and that, and bend that motherfucker with a hammer.
That's your pain.
Because I think the problem is that they didn't leave enough space. They offer 3/4, man.